Imants activities are manufacturing and designing of machines for agricultural and horticultural business. And in general, we sell all over the world and we manufacture everything in-house. The history of Imants goes back a long time, until 1885. So over 125 years of history in our company. We started working with plows, and then in the early 60s we designed a spading machine that was very well adapted in the horticultural industry. After that, since the bigger tractors appeared, Imants designed machines that are well used in horticulture and agriculture. Due to the current pricing in fuel and due to the carbon footprint that we all are experiencing, we would like to be very kind to our soils. So it needs to be a very sustainable way of working the soil. And therefore we are looking for better ways of combining certain ways of working the soil. The other thing that we do is the turf care industry, and those products are needed for taking care of turf in general. So for municipalities, golf courses, but also for sports pitches. And that keeps a better turf, a healthier turf, and it's also better to play on. The turf care side is important to us because it's a very nice product to produce, and it also has a long background for Imants. Most of the products that we sell for the turf care industry are sold to municipalities and contractors and very large sports facilities. Our machines are used at Wimbledon, are used in Real Madrid, Bernabeu Stadium, and are also used at Arsenal. So we sell them all over the world, and also now for the European Championships we sell machinery to the Ukraine and Poland. The advantage of the Imants product is that we work with high quality products. It's high quality engineering. The products must be outstanding, and the Imants products are very reliable. But the most important thing is how do we look at our soil and how can we make it better for the environment and more sustainable. That's more important than the machinery itself. The machinery is just the tool to make it happen. The Imants production facility is actually quite standard. There is an engineering facility. Out of the engineering we produce a prototype. The prototype that is being produced is going into the factory later on, and we test it and we see what's wrong or what's right, and then it's going into a test phase out in the field. But all the production itself is done in the factory. Imants is producing almost everything of the machines themselves. We also have a smithery workshop so that we can harden steel and that we can make sure that all the wear parts are at the Imants level. Farmers don't want to spoil any chemicals, so in general a combination of tillage and seeding, but also on less passes as far as chemical consumption, is important to them. Some recent developments with Imants are a toe-behind spading machine, which is a machine that our customers really wanted because of the weight of the machine, so they wanted something like a combination as a toe-behind unit. They can be wider and still heavy enough to work the soil. On the turf care side, a recent development is a machine that phrase mows the top surface off at a certain width and then takes it away so that regrowth can start. That's a machine that we continuously develop together with the Korte product and the Imants product to try to push that throughout the world.